Welcome back to the Car Collective, where we bring you the stories behind some of the most legendary cars in automotive history. Today, we're diving into a muscle car that defines raw power, engineering brilliance, and pure American automotive culture, the Ford Mustang Boss 429. First, let's set the scene. The year is 1969. Ford was dominating the muscle car wars, and they were already renowned for their iconic Mustang. But they wanted more, something that would push the limits even further. That's when the Boss 429 was born. Now, if you've heard of the Boss 429, you probably know it's rare, it's powerful, and it's one of the most coveted Mustangs out there. But what made it so special? Well, for starters, Ford's engineers had a singular mission: to create a car that could handle the almighty 429 cubic inch V8 engine, which was derived from the engine originally designed for NASCAR. The Boss 429 wasn't just a Mustang with a big engine, though. Ford had to tweak the body to accommodate that massive power plant. The engine didn't fit into the Mustang's standard engine bay, so they had to make some serious adjustments. The most noticeable was the massive front end, wider fenders, and a larger hood to accommodate the 429 size. This wasn't just about function, though. The design was aggressive, and it gave the car a menacing, muscle-bound stance that still stands out today. The heart of the Boss 429 is its engine. This was a Hemi-style V8 engine that produced around 375 horsepower. While that might not seem like a lot by today's standards, in 1969, it was a beast. The car could rocket from 0 to 60 in under 6 seconds, which was mind-blowing back then. It wasn't just about straight-line speed either. The Boss 429 also had impressive handling for its size, with special suspension modifications to help it corner better and keep the power under control. But here's where things get really interesting. Ford didn't originally intend to make the Boss 429 a production car. It was meant to be a special edition to homologate the engine for NASCAR. They only produced 1,358 units in total, which makes it one of the rarest and most sought-after Mustangs in history. Each one was hand-assembled with meticulous attention to detail. As you can imagine, the rarity of the Boss 429 combined with its performance and history has made it a car that collectors dream about. Prices for a well-maintained original example can easily exceed 6 figures today. But it's not just about the money. Owning a Boss 429 is like holding a piece of automotive history. It represents a time when manufacturers pushed the boundaries of what a car could do and made sure it looked good doing it. That's it for today's deep dive into the Ford Mustang Boss 429. If you're a fan of muscle cars, then this one should definitely be on your radar. Be sure to leave a comment with your thoughts or let us know what car you want to see us cover next. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode here at the Car Collective. Thanks for watching.